Namaste students. Our next topic of this chapter 1, how does evaporation causes cooling. It is given in page number 9 of NCERT book. We know that evaporation is a surface phenomena, natural phenomena in which liquid change into vapor below its boiling point. That means it is natural phenomena or surface phenomena. Here question is that how does evaporation causes cooling? So in evaporation, liquid change into vapor, and the amount of heat energy required to change liquid into vapor obtained from nature, that is the surroundings where the evaporation take place. So that's why we feel comfortable due to process of evaporation, because amount of heat energy of the surrounding consume to change the state of matter. So we write evaporation causes cooling because amount of heat energy consume to change the state of matter, that is liquid to vapor. Evaporation causes cooling because amount of heat energy consumed to change the state of matter, that is liquid to vapor, and it is obtained from surroundings where evaporation takes place. So amount of heat energy of surroundings consume to change the state of matter. That's why that part having low temperature in comparison to others. That's why this part becomes cool and that causes cooling. There are many examples, but here we conclude this point. Why evaporation causes cooling? Evaporation causes cooling because amount of heat energy consumed to change the state of matter, that is liquid to vapor, in the form of air. Here latent heat, that is hidden heat, and here we also use the term latent heat because the amount of heat energy required to change the state of matter, that is hidden, obtained from surrounding, but it takes, take place at a natural temperature. That's why in this form we use natural latent heat, that is not artificial. In previous lecture we had discussed about latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization, which were artificial man-made. It is in the natural form of latent heat. So there are different examples by which we can confirm evaporation causes cooling. Examples: we pour some spirit or nail polish remover. Our palm feel comfortable. Our palm feel comfortable. Why? We pour some spirit or nail polish remover. Our palm feel comfortable. That means because the amount of heat energy of palm consumed to change the state of matter, that is state of spirit or nail polish remover. That's why our palm feel comfortable our palm feel not comfortable, we use the term our palm feel cool or comfortable. Once again, I repeat it. We pour some spirit or nail polish remover. Our palm feel comfortable. Yeah, we can say that cool, because the amount of heat energy of palm consumed to change the state of matter, that is, matter is that here spirit or nail polish, and this convert into its vapor form, and the amount of heat energy required from our palm, that's why our palm feel comfortable or cool. Second one, people sprinkle water on the roof or on open ground in hot season. Why people do this phenomena? Because in summer season, in summer season, in summer season, temperature is high, and we know that, and we know that when temperature increases, evaporation also increases, also increases. And here we also know that evaporation causes cooling, so people sprinkle water on the roof or on open ground in hot season, because in hot season temperature is high, and when temperature increases, evaporation also increases, and evaporation causes cooling. That's why people sprinkle water on the roof or on open ground in hot season. Next examples, we to wear prefer to wear cotton cotton cloths in summer season. Students, it is also an example of evaporation causes cooling, because we wear cotton cloth in summer season due to high temperature, sweating is more, and cotton is hydrophilic, that means love from water, that means they absorb sweat from our body, and our body temperature consume to change the sweat that is in the liquid form to vapor form, and evaporation takes place, and this evaporation causes cooling, because amount of heat energy required to change the state of matter. That's why we feel comfortable, cool. That's why we wear cotton cloth in summer season. So students, solve in text problem in text problems of NCRT, page number 10, which are based on this lecture. Evaporation causes cooling as well as factors affecting evaporation. So prepare notes and solve in text problems of NCRT, page number 10. Thank you.